Dolby is actually encouraging indie artists currently to make use of their new tool they are calling the Avid Play tool to create Dolby Atmos music. Dolby Atmos music has really been taken off. Yes, it's slow out of the gate, but it's becoming really a big thing now in the music business. You know, I a few years ago, engineers, pundits, every person in the audio industry said that if Atmos had to go the best mile, similar to, let's just say, stereo went all through most of the time, sound has been existent, they kind of have to be able to work as a format for music, because music is not only just a universal thing that every person listens to, but the fact that the music has a very wide reach across the planet. um you would not want to lose out on having Atmos on your own streaming service. So that's pretty much what you're going to be looking at right now. So with the Avid Play tool, you will be able to create your own Dolby Atmos music. You can use it to pan sound from one corner to the other if you want that. Um, you can be able to really get overhead sound as well in your music if you are very creative and you know what you're doing. The Avid Play is gonna be priced at $60, and you will get great performance out of it. So that's what you're gonna be looking at. There is nothing really special there, but I think it will be a really how will I put it? I, I would really think that this is going to be a very, very, I would say, I would say, good improvement for people producing music, because there are many artists that really want to put out impressive songs, but it hasn't really been laid out very well for them to do so. So this is an opportunity for them to go try it out. So that's the news right now. Be sure to follow on social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content. I'll catch you guys next time.